Now we're gonna work on the move to trash or delete function. Okay, we're gonna click right here and we're gonna remove the post. So that's the challenge right now. And also wanna like update and refresh directly and see the changes by removing this from the array or whatever. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna see. So first of all, as usual, we start from the backend and then we're gonna go to the routes for the post. Okay, right here. This is gonna be delete request. Okay, and this is gonna be delete post, and then we're gonna use the ID. It's not a problem, we can use that also right here, import it and then go and create it. So let me just export that and some function request response and then try catch and then take that. That's actually one of the easiest things to do. Await and then go to the post and then find by ID and remove, and the ID is simply gonna be request.params.id. okay, and that's it. Like if we can return like a status, okay, to make sure that everything went all right. That could be good, like a status, and that could be like one status is one, that means everything is all right, or okay. We used okay before, so we can use that again. If I didn't use that like in the save, you may actually need to use that to make sure that everything is all right, and then you change the save to unsafe depending if the status is all right. Okay, it's up to you. Look, okay, this is just pure up to you. Okay, so this is delete posts. I then go back to the functions in the front end. Let me close the back end. That's everything, just the back end. And then let me go to the functions and then the post. Let me take that. And right here, delete post. Actually we need the post ID, so that's fine. Let me remove this console log from here and from here. Okay, I actually don't know if we're gonna need this, probably not. It's only for the put. I believe so. I'm not 100% sure, I'm not gonna lie to you. We're gonna see if it works fine. So that's all, and we can return the data. Okay, you can do that both ways. So this data is actually, or you can return, okay, from here. Both ways are fine. So that's all. We can go back now to the post menu. And let me look for, it's gonna be in the last thing, okay? Where is it? So this is, where is the remove? Okay, this one, move to archive. Let me just see. Yeah, move to trash. It's gonna be the one after, move to trash, this one. So we can have this inside the div. Just simply right here, and then on click, and it's gonna be remove or delete handler. Okay, you can take that, go to the top. It's gonna be an async function, and right here, simply I'm just gonna call the function delete post. From the functions, I'm gonna pass the post ID, and also I'm gonna pass the token. We get that, okay. So let's go back to the delete post function. Okay, and see post ID token, and this should not be put, should be delete. Okay, and probably this is gonna work fine, I hope. So let's see. By going right here, let me refresh. And now let's try and remove this one with these two images. So I click move to trash. Now let me refresh and see if it's been deleted. So refresh. Okay, and it's been deleted. You want to delete this one, move to trash, and then refresh, and it's been deleted. So it works fine. But as I told you, I want to see the changes live directly. This is actually not going to be hard as you might think. This is going to be one of the easiest things you've done in the whole course. Okay, so what we're going to do is that when we try to remove something, and we get the status to be okay from the backend, that means it's been deleted, we can simply tag that div, which is the post, the whole post. There are two ways. You can just remove it, the div is going to be removed directly from the HTML that you see, or also you can just change the style and hide it. It's depend on what you want. The best for me is just remove it, okay? If you want to just hide it, you can do that. So let me just explain how we're going to do it. So first of all, this is, let me go back to the index for the post. So this is the post, okay? This is the post component. We can go and create a reference. Okay. use ref is going to be null, and we're going to take this reference and we're going to reference the whole post, okay, the whole div. That's the first thing. Then we're going to pass it to the menu like that, and then go back to the menu and then get it from the prop, and then right here let me have a response. So this is going to be a response. We can use await. If you remember, let me go back to the delete post. This is returning just the data. So let me close that. Let me go back to the backend and then go to the post. It returns the status. If everything is alright, it returns the object. Inside the response, we can have the status. Then if it's equal okay, that means everything is fine. So right here in the post menu, I can simply check if the response.status is equal okay, that means everything is alright. Then in this position, I can take the post ref, then go to the current element, and then you can like go to the style, okay, and then display, and then it's gonna be none. That's the first way. So let me just show you. I can go right here, create something, post, and I have it, and I can go right here and then move to trash, and it's gonna be removed. It's not removed, but it's just the style. And the second way, you just go right here and then remove. Okay, and now I can click and write something. Let me maximize this, anything, and then post is gonna be seen. I can go right here and then move to trash, and it's been removed. And that's very good because we can use this also on the profile without any problems. I can go right here, write anything, post, okay, I can go right there and then move to trash, and it's gonna be removed. So you see, that was actually pretty simple, okay? Don't worry about this, it's just connection is really bad. Okay, everything is gonna be fine with the loaders. So as you see, that was all of it. So the delete function was actually pretty simple, and now I think you learned something new, okay? So see you next.